Moving a mattress takes some planning, whether you're packing and transporting or moving in a newly delivered mattress. This video will show you how to move a mattress using the proper techniques to protect the mattress from damage and keep yourself safe. Here's what you'll need. Before moving, walk the path you'll take to move the mattress. Clear anything blocking the path out of the way. Take note of high doorsteps or curbs in the way. Next, slide the mattress into the mattress bag and seal it with tape. With a helper, each of you should grab one end of the mattress and turn it onto its side edge. Lift the mattress slightly and move it out along the path you cleared as the person in front faces forward and guides you along. Once you have the mattress near the transport vehicle, lean it up against a wall or other flat surface. Most larger mattresses are best transported on their side edge. In a truck or van, load the mattress so that it rests along the side wall of the vehicle. Then strap it down. To move a mattress by yourself, it's most important you protect it. Use a heavy-duty mattress cover and tape it down, which will provide protection if you have to drag the mattress alone. Turn the mattress on its side and drag the mattress wherever possible. Lastly, load it onto the truck by sliding the mattress up a loading ramp or lifting one end of the mattress into the truck bed, then pushing it into the back of the truck. A mattress is typically one of the first things you remove from the truck and set up in your new space. Remove all wrapping and tape. Check the mattress carefully to make sure you don't see any pests. If you do, sprinkle baking soda over the surface and let it sit for about 2 hours. Then vacuum it up. Use a disinfectant spray on the mattress, then wipe it down. Once you nail down the right moving supplies, you'll find that moving a mattress is a matter of preparation, proper wrapping, careful moving, and storage practices. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.